Welcome back to the Pelkman channel. This is the Pelkman talking, and I'm growing a great beard. How's your day been? How's your Christmas? Now, today is Friday here in Australia, and today, well, yesterday was Christmas, and I've just gotten some bits and bobs for the commie. First of all is these two lovely JVC 6.5 inches. They're what I have in the front of my commie, and I am going to install these, and yes, I'm going to do a video on them if anyone is interested. I'll be doing the video anyway if you want to know how to install a set of speakers. Now, second of all, we have self-install window tint that I don't know how to do yet, so I probably will be looking at a video to do it, and I probably won't be doing a video for that. Now, it did come with film application, sprayed, clean it and stuff. Now, what I'm most excited about are these two here. A trolley jack and car stands. And we'll be unboxing these today. These are the super cheap home brand ones, and we are going to be unboxing them. Alright, sorry about the weird angle. Here we go. We're just gonna use my Stanley knife here, cut across, cross. That should, I need to open it up like so. Ooh, look at that. That is a beefy thing. Now we're going to unbox and pull it out. Might have to set this up in a shoe. Like so. Quite heavy. Paul. Now, it's my instructions. All you gotta do is this. Yeah. Just like that, and then chuck it in here. And you should just, let me take that off. I might have to figure that one out afterwards, but that's how that goes together. And might be the pins or something. I actually don't know how this goes together properly. I will find the instruction manuals and do that afterwards. What's on the side? Anyway, that's that one. Let's open up this now. That's a really sharp knife. Sorry about the bad camera angles, it's really hard to cut and do that at the same time. Right. There we go. There we go. That's them in there. That's my warranty. And pins, so when I'm jacking up my car, I just chuck those in. Now, it is an unboxing video, so we'll grab them out. I got these on clearance for $60, I think, and they just spew out. Yeah, and SEA is super cheap auto. Like so. Figure out how to do it, so we gotta turn this little knob here. Tighten it, and pump. And it pumps ever so slightly. And that's how you do that. So, unboxing these, yes, I put it back. But these are stands we just bought. dropping. Don't want too much noise to be made. There you go. That is what they look like. They are quite sturdy. They have 3-ton limit, which for a bargain of, I think it was $60. $60 on sale, plus clearance option. Yeah, $60. That was 1,400 kilos, which can do the front end of the Commodore, which is why I bought it. And we'll chuck this one over here. On here. Now these are going to go in my shed. Just doing an unboxing at the moment, because I wanted to grab them, so I've been wanting a set of these for a while. And here's the other one. Now we'll be doing a video servicing a Commodore in the future. That's not like a today thing, or a coming thing, but that's a future job, and I'll also be doing brake rotors and brake replacer as well. So, from that, I've got 2 boxes down. Here we go. Now that's also your repair manuals, and I'm going to keep those and put them in another box, just so I have them. But on towards these. Now, this is, I've just used the knife from that, which I believe is somewhere behind me. I don't know where my wife went. That's upsetting me. I'll find it. There it is. Okay, so I won't be opening this, but this is the window tint. It's a smoky. I did initially get the limo tint, but then I found out that's illegal to do, and I kind of wanted to do the rears as dark smoke, but I just decided it would be cheaper to do all round smoke, so I'm going to do that. Now, the other thing we're going to be unboxing today, but not actually doing, is these here. So, I'm just going to lean. Okay. So it's probably easier to do it this way. There's a very particular reason why I like these. They're very nice to work with. They're very nice sounding audio quality ones. Now they do come out in a styrofoam box like such. Very beautiful. And there. These are what they look like on the inside. Now we're going to be installing these next Friday, and we'll be showing you how to take off the door panel while we're at it. So if you guys are interested in that, take a like and subscribe and watch out for that. And we do have another cartoon coming out this week with a positive and a negative cable. I don't remember which, but yeah, positive is the bigger one, negative is the smaller one. They do come with this and a 12 months warranty. And they also come with blue jackets if need be. So then know that you're listening to. Anyway, this has been the Pelican Man. I hope you guys liked the unboxing. Like, subscribe, comment. No. I just needed a video out today, because I've been dedicated to do a video every Monday, Friday, because I enjoy doing it. Yeah, like and subscribe. If you got any suggestions what I should be doing next, let me know. See you guys.